Alright guys, so me and Aiden are getting ready to go into Krogers. So I do have some coupons I'm using my wallet. I did want to wear my crossbody chain, but I couldn't wear it because he has his Switch with him, and sometimes he does not feel like taking his own stuff when he brings it. So that's another video. Okay, so my goal here is to either spend, I have $125 in my cash envelope for groceries. So
me too. I have some money too.
But so hopefully I can spend at least under, I'm gonna try to get like maybe like 110. 120 is okay, 110, because I have some coupons, and then I went on the app and I took the time to click and check boxes to get more discounts for extra things off. So I'll see how busy it is in here. So this might be a botch shop with me vlog. So we'll check to see what that is. And then also on Fridays, y'all, you get 4 times the points on certain things that you buy. So that's another reason why I sped up here. All right, guys, so let's go ahead. Let's go inside. Alright, so we were just looking at some patio stuff, but there is seriously nothing cheap. So y'all, we have the basket, and look at this. I'm telling you, look at this.
Stop watching my game.
That's y'all's boy.
Stop watching my game.
He is off the charts. Okay, so let's go ahead. This basket is so heavy to push. My goodness. Get him out of the basket. Okay, so this is the list that we have.
Dun, 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 dun.
Alright, which little bites do you want, Aiden? These over here, buy one and get one free.
Party.
The what?
Party one.
You want both of them party?
No, I want party and chocolate chips.
This one, I can't even see. So these are buy one and get one free. Yep. Go ahead, mark off little bites. And I have a coupon for that. Alright, so next step is Deer Park water. Oh, there's only like 2 cases left. Only 2 cases. Ah! And this is 24. We can mark off. My scrap is in the way. It's doing too much. We got Deer Park. Alright guys, so we are rolling on to the next thing. They have a sale item. Okay, Tina, stay focused, stay focused, stay focused, stay focused. I'm not gonna stop because I have a list and we saw the toys, so we gotta keep going. Okay, so now we're gonna stop for chips. And the chips are actually buy 2 and get, where are you? Buy 2 and get 2 free. Voila! So we're gonna get Doritos.
Oh look, you tacked me, right?
Sour cream.
You're not coming.
What else did I put on my list? Oh, I did cream. And I had one more. What else did I do? Oh, Tostitos. Alright, so these are actually so good. They're like super thin. Y'all see how he just sits in the basket and don't even help? This guy. Alright, so next we have bologna. So we need thick bologna. Oh, that's why they were out. So that's why we didn't see it online. So we're just gonna get the regular bologna.
Bro, this is not even thick.
Alright, so I won't be able to show you guys meat. Everybody's like piled at the meat, so I will show you exactly what we got after I finish. Okay, so the hamburger is pretty bare, y'all. Oh goodness, this actually looks pretty yummy. Hibachi beef stir fry with noodles. So the burgers are buy 2 get 1 free. All of these are pretty much gone. So I guess I'll have to get something up here, which is, I don't know how much the beef is. Alright guys, so we are looking for Heritage Hills chicken, and oh, here it goes, Heritage Farm, not Heritage Hills. What in the world? Alright, let's see what we got. I think I'm getting 1 pack of those. So let's see what chicken we're gonna get. Probably just get some chicken tenderloins, I guess. I'm not good at picking chicken, but we'll just get this one here. I think this one will be good. Alright y'all, so if you're underage, this is censored. I'm going to go get me some Mike's Hard Lemonades. They're like pretty much like Kool-Aid. So, is it on this side? Oh, no. What's that? Oh, here they are. They're on this side.
We're gonna be safe. We're gonna have a great time. We're gonna be safe. We're gonna have a great time. We're gonna be safe. We're gonna have a great time. We're gonna be safe. We're gonna have a great time.
Alright, so let's go ahead and go over here to the produce aisle. I am tired. This basket is getting heavy because little buddy is in here. Kids don't want to walk no more. What is going on? Legs better than mine. Alright, let's head over here. Oh, I can't turn quick enough. It's like packed over here. Alright, so I'm just going to get the yellow onions. Alright, so these were just as much as the
Oh my
other
god, the tow
ones.
truck!
Okay, so we have got most of our stuff done. So I think I might skip the broccoli, and I need to get asparagus. Right, here we go, asparagus. Yay! Okay, so that'll be off the list, so that'll be there. Okay, so we are in the bread aisle, so we are looking for Ballpark. I just passed everything. Because Ballpark, I have a coupon. So let's see what we got here. We're backing up. Beep, beep, beep. So I don't see any Ballpark buns. I know them things ain't all gone. Wait a minute, maybe there's someone that's end cap here. Nope. That is completely Martin's bread. Dang. Okay, so I was tripping because they actually have those buns. Okay guys, so we are making progress on the list. We just have frozen hamburgers, yogurt, chicken wings, fries, biscuits, and cookies. Cookies was added. I don't really need that, but who doesn't love cookies? Ah. So they don't have the regular cookies, so we're just gonna have to get the mini chocolate chip cookies, but that is fine with me. Okay, so now we're gonna get the frozen French fries, the 𝗗𝗚𝗏𝗘. So I think these are the ones that are on sale. So what we got. Okay, so now we just need the frozen chicken wings, but I think they are actually down here. Oh, maybe I can find the frozen patties down here because this is the aisle for the frozen meat. So, let's see. So this is the frozen select, so let me pick out something really good. Okay, so this basket situation is not working right now with little buddy in here. Goodness gracious. Okay, so it looks like we have, so we got this. I need my biscuits and Krogers select. So we need biscuits and we need cocoa butter. Okay, so for the yogurt, they didn't have any of the ones that I wanted. So I just tried some different flavors, like, hold on. So I'm trying the mint chocolate chip, strawberry cheesecake, salted caramel crunch, and then, what is this?
My dad. Oh my god.
Coffee brownie bliss. So I'm gonna try those. Oh, let me check the date, because last time my date ran out. Last thing on the list is biscuits. Alright guys, we are totally finished. We got our biscuits for the last one, so now let's go ahead and check out and see what our total is. I'll let you know when we get back in the car, guys. Alright, so this is what I got. So how much do you guys think Aiden will cost? How much? I don't think there's any amount that can take the place of him. Right? Right, y'all? I didn't get the chicken wings, so the chicken wings I forgot to get them, and I'm not going back in there to get them. They were like originally like $9.99, but then they were on sale for like $7.99. All right, so let's go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what all the things that I got, and then we can look at it. All right, bye. All right, guys, so this is my receipt for today, and this is my savings. So I did save $41.83, and my total was $116.39. I think I said that I wanted to have a budget of spending like $114, $120 was okay, but I'll take this. So I got $3.61 back, and I had a total of 35 items. Yay, yay. All right, so let's go through and see what we got. Got 2 bags of chips where you buy 2 and you got 2 free. So I got these 2 free. I got some marshmallows for Aiden. I got some mini chocolate chips, date night. All right, and then I got some of the Applewood smoked bacon cheddar. I want to try these on the Blackstone to see how they come out. I'm not gonna cook them, he's gonna cook them. But so the ground beef was buy 2 and get 1 free, and y'all, it is 80-20%. All right, so then the chicken, I had a coupon for that, and that was on sale. I got some bologna. I wanted to get the thick cut bologna, but they didn't have any, so blah blah blah. All right, so next I got, and as y'all saw, the 𝗗𝗜𝗗𝗗𝗘, it wasn't the ones that I wanted, but I said, hey, try something out, and I had a coupon for this, and these are the coupons that Krogers sent me in the mail. Little bites. Aiden picked out which ones he wants. He can take these for snacks, or he just eats the whole box up all in one. Well, not all in one, but you know, quick. So these were buy 1 get 1 free, and I got buns, hamburger buns, because I got those because we got the frozen burgers, and I had a coupon for these here, and then this one's falling over. Oh, and then y'all, don't sleep on my Mike's Heart lemonade. So I got that. That was on sale too. Then we got 2 biscuits. I had coupons for those. Then we got 2 limes. Then we got a lemon. And then I got street tacos. I had coupons for those too. And then we had celery. I think the celery was just on sale. Green onions. I love these when we make tacos. And then I had some sweet Vidalian onions because we had, I think we got like 2 left. And then Tropicanico juice. These onion shells are getting everywhere. Deer Park, which was on sale too, and Golden Crinkle, or the Ida, I can't never pronounce it, fries. Got some organic bananas, and then we got some asparagus, guys, and that's all we got, and this was all $116 and some change. So how I ended up doing this was I just pretty much went on the Krogers app, used a lot of the coupons, and then I just kind of put everything in my cart so I can get a running total to see what everything was going to add to, and then I kind of like went from there, and if I needed to add some things, because this I added, and then let's see, I'm trying to think, what else thing did I add? I don't know. I added some other stuff, but I went by me actually having a total from the get-go. So all right, guys, so this is all of what I got. All right, so this is for you guys that said you wanted to do another vlog with me. So guys, here we go. All right, and until next time, guys, peace.